Hey there, here we are again for another video on CNC with Design to Product Limited.
Today, we explore 7 ingenious ways to reduce costs without compromising quality.
First, simplifying designs. Streamlined shapes mean less machining time and material waste.
Choosing the right material can drastically lower expenses. Alternatives like aluminum offer both quality and affordability.
Utilizing standard cutting tools not only speeds up production, but also reduces costs.
Optimizing part placement ensures maximum material utilization, minimizing waste.
Collaborating with your manufacturing team early on can identify cost-saving opportunities right from the design phase.
And finally, consider finish options wisely. Sometimes, less is more. Embracing these strategies can significantly lower CNC machining costs, ensuring your projects are both high quality and economically viable.
If you want to discuss more anything about CNC, you can book at the Calendly link listed in this video. And for more detailed assistance on CNC machining, or to get a fast quote including delivery to your non-sanctioned country, you can send your SDP, PDF files, and quantities to teamd2pcnc.com.
Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.